So here is the retail packaging of the newly launched OnePlus N6X. Let's quickly unbox it and have a closer look. Alright, here you can see here OnePlus N6X. You can see the 6 logo right here. On the side, OnePlus N6X. On this side, you can see some of its key features. It comes with a MediaTek 6360 Apex chipset, 7000 mAh battery, 120Hz ultra smooth display, military grade durability, and it's made in India. Further towards the back, you can see this is the burgundy red color. We have it in 4GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. So let's quickly open it up. There you go. We have another box. We have the paperwork that no one reads. Then we have a burgundy color silicone case. Wow, the quality is really nice. Then we have the phone itself, the SIM ejector pin, everyone's favorite, the red USB-A to C charging cable, and a 15-watt charging adapter. Alright, let's have a closer look at the build and design. So as you can see, we have the burgundy red color and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Especially the way the light hits it, it looks different every time. By the way, there's also a ice blue color. So if you're looking for something lighter, that's something you can consider. Now talking about the back here, it comes with this nice soft velvety finish. In fact, it comes with this line texture, which is really soft to touch and doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Very premium, in fact, I would say. Now on the top here is a headphone jack, which is something we rarely see nowadays. Then we have the volume rockers and the power standby button. At the bottom here is the down-firing speaker. Then you have a USB-C port, a microphone, and a hybrid SIM tray that can house dual nano SIM cards or one nano SIM card along with one SD card for storage expansion. Alright, let's have a quick look at how the case looks and fits. So of course, we get the color coordinated burgundy soft silicone case. Looks really nice, soft to touch. Again, doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. In fact, it even covers the camera from here. So in case you drop it, you won't damage the camera lens. It covers all the sides. There's a hole for the headphone jack, which is with a blocker. So which means that's really good. Similarly here, you have this cover for the USB-C port, which will protect the phone in case you drop it. So I'd say the case is really nice. Then this device also comes with IP64 rating. So mild splashes and sweat should be fine. But make sure you don't completely submerge this in water. Coming to the battery. So we get a huge 7000 mAh battery in here, which OnePlus claims to last you for about 2.5 days, which I think is really good. It's been tested for 1600 cycles, so battery health will be really good for 6 years. So battery life is completely sorted. Alright. Coming to the display. Now, due to embargo restrictions, we can't share all the details, but what I can tell you is that we get a huge LCD display, the color reproduction is pretty good, and adaptive 120Hz refresh rate that provides a buttery smooth user experience. Check that out, absolutely amazing. Now, as we dive into the settings here, about devices, and here you can see it's running Oxygen OS 16. Which means you're going to get all the top of the line features. Then when it comes to the processor, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6360 Apex processor, and it provides a really good smooth user experience. We can't share more about performance, but I can tell you it's very reliable and does a really good job. When it comes to the VC cooling, it actually comes with 5300 millimeter square vapor cooling chamber, which means if you have to push it for gaming or for multitasking, the device won't heat up. That's something which is really good about this phone. So the power standby button on the side also doubles as a capacitive fingerprint scanner. Simply place your finger and the phone unlocks almost instantly. Check that out. Really responsive and snappy. So this was it guys, a quick unboxing and hands-on with the OnePlus N6X. It's actually launching today on 31st of July. The sale starts on 4th of August. And you can pick the burgundy color or the ice blue color, your choice. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.